Also today on the 3rd of May 2023 we have Pähkinärinteentie, Hasselback's vegan, 28 stickers B. We should get to the stickers here as well. It has been upgraded more, but this is still more original. Built in 1988 by Schindler, original S fixtures, but had these buttons ready to Gia later. But still good cherries.
Yeah.
Or is this could this be originally with Gia, do you think? I'm not sure. Should have been expecting 2005 old sticker.
Yeah.
But maybe there's a newer sticker in the machine room.
Yeah.
Number is 431520 here in Pähkinärinne. Pähkinärinne, Vantaa, Vantaa has Games Sports region, also in Finland with 5 floors. Close to Myrmäki, Myrmäki and Louhila, Klipstone. This has 2 rides. The machine was probably
Yeah.
Still has the original Schindler skull buttons.
Yeah.
So it's still very nice. Yeah. They're not bad shoes.
Yeah.
Just a bit unnecessary, of course.
Inspected by what? There's no just the old one, but maintained by Schindler.
Used to be film techno.
Yeah.
It must have had that more amazing Schindler machine sound before. Also, this is one of the first Schindler isolators in Finland.
Yeah.
I think the ones in Leppävaara, Alba, from where it was finished 1988, but it says it was built 87, 88 maybe first.
Yeah.
These are not exactly, but we can check that information later.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
Thank you very much.